Hi everybody, today I'll be doing a very special unboxing for you, but you may need to squint because the ZANCO Tiny T1 is the world's smallest phone. Now even with my tiny hands, this really is something else. Now the Tiny T1 was developed by ZANCO Mobiles and absolutely smashed its £25,000 Kickstarter campaign. So why were so many people eager to make this happen, and what exactly do you get? Well, let's have a closer look. So on the box, the branding is very clear. The world's smallest phone, as you may be able to see here. And you're hardly going to have to pay very much for shipping when it comes to the ZANCO Tiny T1. On the back, there's a brief description of the functions available, as you may be able to see here, including SIM size and storage. It also lists the voice changes available, including Duck and Rap Woman, which I'm particularly looking forward to testing out. You also have a list of languages available and includes Hebrew, which is a question that we get a lot. So opening it up, you have your Tiny T1 device, as you have here. I mean, I have very small hands, so I don't know if this does it justice or not. Opening the box further, you get a small silicone cover, as you may be able to see here, which I hope you like because I can't imagine you'll find many other options online. A micro USB charging cable, as you can see here. A neck lanyard, as you can see here, which simply just attaches to the top of the device. A reset tool, as you can see here. And a user manual, which really does give good instructions on how to use the device. And that's all you really need to get going. So, as I previously stated, the Tiny T1 really is a fully functional talk and text phone and works with any mobile phone network. The device accepts a nano SIM card and cannot be network locked, so the SIM can easily be changed at any time. Now, the T1 actually operates on the 2G network, which a number of countries have already eradicated. So if you did want to purchase one of these devices, then that's definitely worth checking out. With a very basic user interface, the battery has 3 days standby and around 180 minutes talk time. And if you manage to reach 3 hours talking on this, then strangely I'd actually be very impressed. The 200 mAh battery should charge fully in less than an hour, and it definitely has for us, via a micro USB charging port that takes up most of the bottom of the phone. Now at only 13 grams, the ZANCO Tiny T1 is actually lighter than a £2 coin, measuring in at 46.7 times 12 times 12.5 millimeters. Only double the size of a paperclip, about the same size as my thumb, and compared to the Sony Xperia 10, well, look at the difference. So the Sony Xperia 10 has a 6-inch size screen. The Tiny T1, a 0.49-inch OLED panel. You might think that displaying information would be a problem, but I think that it copes pretty well. The signal strength meter is in the upper left corner, a battery status icon is in the right corner, with only 1.5 lines for any other information free below that. The only slight complaint is that when you receive a text message, words are displayed in a ticker tape style scroll, making skim reading nigh on impossible. The keyboard is fully functional as you would imagine, however it certainly takes a bit of concentration to get used to. I have very small hands and found texting doable, so those with larger hands might struggle a little more. Now the ZANCO Tiny T1 can actually store up to 50 SMS messages, as well as the last 50 in and out numbers and 300 different contacts. Within the settings you can adjust your language preferences with 14 different choices, including Hebrew, Russian and Hindi. But working out how to adjust settings definitely takes a bit of time and patience. So let's skip to the most important bit. What's it like making a call? The speaker is quite some distance from your mouth, but let's see how it captures audio.
The Tiny T1 is the smallest mobile phone in the world. The Tiny T1 is the smallest phone in the world.
The Tiny T1 is the smallest phone in the world.
I mean, this little device might be handy in a number of situations. If you like jogging or cycling or more extreme sports, then it's certainly compact enough to fit in any size pocket. It could also be good backup on a night out, although working the keys after a few drinks could be tricky, or any other occasion where you don't want to carry a bulky phone but still want the reassurance of staying connected. In a really weird way, I like this phone. What's not to love? Now make sure you subscribe to our channel for all of the latest news and reviews and head to our social media pages for more. Thank you all for watching and I'll catch you again soon.